Hello mga ka-Churks, magandang hapon. Alright, ito na naman tayo sa ating reaction video mga ka-Churks at ito na nga yung ating ah, Grand Champion, no other than Jong Madaliday for this season, the class 2025 mga ka-Churks. No? Alright, the song is Someone You Love, Someone to Love or something like that. Mga ka-Churks, and ang gara ng mga kanta niya, talagang pit na pit ka niya. So, watch this.
I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got away, you try for me.
Alright, nung una pa lang mga ka-Churks, pagpasok niya sa part na to, akala ko yung kanta is same lang kasi same vibes nung pagpasok niya dun sa unang tono na binigay niya mga ka-Church. Ngunit iba yung aking ano, impression dito. Parang same vibe lang pero ang ganda pa rin. Simplicity is the key. Alright.
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say.
Vibrato niya, yung groove, talagang di nawawala. No? Andun talaga yung kanyang own version na vibrato mga ka-Church. Nakakatawag talaga ng attention sa akin lang. Okay tayo.
But it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to keep me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug.
I love the emotion, the facial reaction that he gave to the song. Alright.
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into
Yung kanyang facial reaction. Talagang bigay todo. Ganun.
your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard.
Ganda. So, ang ganda ng pagbato niya, Baptist. Anyway, ito yung isa sa pinakagusto ko kay Jong Madrid Baptist na kung saan talaga sa nakilala, hindi nawawala yung kanyang pagka-Jong Madrid Baptist. Lalo na nga, since day one pa, no? Since the season 1, ganito na yung mga hiling niyang kanta, ganito na yung mga piyesa na pinakita sa bawat pagtungtong niya ng stage, talagang hindi niya inalis. Talagang napaka-consistent talaga, no? Hindi siya pumili ng kanta na sa tingin ko ay ikakamali niya, no? Or ikakatalo niya, mga ka-Church. Fit na fit talaga sa kanya yung song, alright?
Down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to be someone you love. But now the day bleeds into night.
Ganda ng kanyang, soft voice, timing, din emotion, lahat, no? Pag may determinasyon ko talaga, mga ka-Church, no? Lahat talaga gagawin mo, may panalo mo na yung round, o yung laban na gusto mong ipanalo, and that's what Chung, he made it, right? And he did it.
And you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being.
Ganda ng stage presence niya, ang lakas talagang dating. Pagdating sa stage, talagang performance perfect and tulo to the max talaga siya. Grabe.
I was getting kinda used to being
Alam mo yung sa sarili mong panalo ka na, ngunit kailangan mo magsumikap para maibigay talaga yung spot na para dapat sa'yo mga ka-church na hindi makuha yan ng iba. Hindi na hinayaan yung kumpiyansa na yun sa part na ito mga ka-church and tuloy tayo.
someone you love.
Alright, finally, finally we made it. Finally, he did it. And talagang from the season 1 until now, nandun pa rin yung tatak ni So Madalilay. And sa season 1, hindi binigay sa kanya yung spot na hinihiling niya o hinihingi niya or something pinapangarap niya. Pero ngayon ito na binigay na sa kanya mga ka-church. And pag destiny talaga yung magsasabing para sa'yo talaga mga ka-church. Even kung sino pa yung mga kalaban doon magagaling. Kung para sa'yo talaga yan. Alright, no? So, ganyan talaga yung buhay mga ka-church. Sa contest, may nanalo, may matatalo. And for this season, I'm probably proud as a Minawanon mga ka-church kasi nga nakakatuwa bilang part namin taga Mindanao na nanalo yung aming mga manok, no? No? And finally, we did it. Alright? And congratulations, So Madalilay, to provoke yourself, join again in this competition and win the crown that you wanted to win. Alright? And your followers was happy for you. All of your followers mga ka-church. Alright? And then, Leo Pediloso mga ka-church, I am probably proud also because she is from Misamis Oriental and me, I am from Cagayan, Digoro City. And sabi ko nga, kung sino sa kanila yung manalo, oh, masaya na ako. And then, sila yung talaga yung top 2 ko mga ka-church, no? Mali man yung aking comprehension, no? Pero sila talaga yung aking best of the best. Alright? And congratulations to Arabel Dacos again also. She made it first runner-up in the season and last year parang hindi yata o last year pa. Ganun, no? Nanalo nun si Rex Pacolpo tapos si Mariel, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Alright. But now, meron tayong bang champion. Alright, congratulations. And this is me, The Marmix TV, mga ka-church. Hanggang dito na lang, no? Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Bye-bye.